What if you could make real money using ChatGPT? No webcam. No coding. No big investment. Just smart AI and a little time. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel that helps you earn online with AI. In this video, you'll learn 3 real ways to make money with ChatGPT starting today. These are easy, scalable, and free to start. The first method is freelance writing with ChatGPT. Companies all over the world need content, things like blog posts, emails, and product descriptions. With ChatGPT, you can write them in just minutes. Offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Start small, deliver quickly, and build reviews. The AI does the writing, and you simply manage the flow. The second method is selling prompt templates. Believe it or not, people are buying ChatGPT prompts on sites like Gumroad and PromptBase. You can create your own prompt packs for productivity, business, content ideas, job hunting, whatever niche you like. Once uploaded, they can sell over and over again. A single prompt can be sold hundreds of times, turning into pure passive income. And the third method is YouTube script and video automation. You can use ChatGPT to write complete scripts for Faceless YouTube videos just like this one. Then add a voice with ElevenLabs, generate visuals with Pictory, and finish editing in CapCut. You never need to be on camera. Just upload consistently, and once your channel is monetized, every single view turns into money. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a money machine. Try one of these methods this week and see how fast you can start earning. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.